Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. How meditation can help you become a better leader. While there are many predictable reasons that meditation can be a great undertaking for you, one of those reasons may not be quite so obvious. Meditation can improve your ability to lead. Studies have shown that people who undergo meditation on a regular basis find that their capacities to make decisions actually improves. Science has an explanation for this. The more frequently we meditate, the more folding is experienced by the brain's cortex. This process is known as gyrification, and it provides our brains with a larger mass so that we can make better choices with a lot more precision and accuracy. Being a good leader is about more than just making choices effectively, however. Being a good leader also means being able to keep your cool during charged situations and promoting unity among your team. Being a good leader means being able to look a stressful situation right in the face and maintain as much objectivity as possible to get the job done right. A good leader is able to make choices without being swayed by impulsive emotional reactions or pressure from the outside world. Meditation is something that can help a leader in all of these aspects. In choosing to meditate on a regular basis, a leader gains the ability to view situations with objectivity. A leader will strengthen their ability to respond to situations with a level head and avoid making choices they regret out of fear, anger, or any other reaction that might creep up without careful analysis first. A leader will manage to influence others by making choices in a calm and rational way, no matter how they may be personally affected by the events surrounding those choices. Meditation will provide anybody in a leadership position with the ability to adapt to whatever circumstances come their way and remain confident and forgiving even when mistakes are made. No matter what it is that you are hoping to lead, your brain will benefit enormously through the practice of meditation. You may find that your qualities of leadership have improved and you are far better able to see new situations in a more balanced light than you were able to do so before. Most of us have heard the phrase that you can lead best by example. This is especially true if you have utilized meditation to maintain a balanced approach to your leading and delegation style. Overall, the benefits that meditation has on the brain are exceptionally well suited to anybody who has ever found themselves in a leadership position. If you would like to be able to lead by a calm, firm example and make choices without being too impulsive or reactive, then practicing meditation regularly can help your brain to make that balance possible in your life. Your team will see the difference right away and likely feel compelled to do their best for a leader who exudes confidence and calm. Meditation has some incredible benefits, not only for yourself, but for those around you as well, so why not give it a try? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button.